Ooh, you go see the fishies? You go see the fishies? Oh, there's birdies and snakes and what's down there? What is down there? Turtles. Oh, that's cool. Oh, look, Tonka, it's like the little rats that you eat in the backyard, huh? Look at those guinea pigs. Oh, so cute. Oh, look, yep, there's what he likes to get off of. Oh, he smells them. Look, he's like, there's rats in there. Oh, there's rats in there. Oh, those pretty birds. Oh, they're so pretty. Gonna check the birds out. He says, I need to smell those rats. I know they're up there. Look at how pretty the birds are. Oh, look at the fishies. Those are pretty fish, huh? Well, you're just checking it all out, aren't you? There's all this good smells. There goes birds up there. Are you checking those birdies out? Oh, you can see the turtles and the snakes. Look at this stuff. Oh, look, there's a gecko. Let's see, I don't see anything. You like those birds? Do you want a bird? Do you want your own bird? Come on. Don't do that. That's not nice. He's scared of birds. Oh, there you go. Push your cart. Oh my gosh. Okay, come on. Look, we've destroyed enough stuff here. Let's not destroy any more. Come on. You're a mess. Are those fishies?